So Don Bosco said, in raising Holy Catholic kids, frequent confession, frequent communion, daily mass are the pillars of that ought to support an educational edifice from which one would want to keep at bay threats and violence. All right. Okay. So, sabihin niyan, a lot of people will be objecting na I can't go to daily mass. I can't go to daily communion. Of course you can. Nakalagay lang diyan frequent. Hindi naman yan daily. Frequent confession, frequent mass. So if you can manage a monthly instead of a yearly confession, also known as a monthly mass na may kasamang confession, then you should do this to your kids. Bring them. Now, there are Catholic students in Catholic schools whose parents don't even go to confession, much less attend Sunday Mass. If you're that kind of parent, then you said, oh, the Catholic school is going to take care of my kids na lang, then you are deluding yourself because the church, I believe, is the one that happens in your house and not the one that happens in the Catholic school. So you must instigate in your family frequent confession, frequent communion. Not only that, you have access to the internet and you don't know how to confess, then you just type in examination of conscience, how to do a proper confession. Because one of the things that the demons like is if you or your kid gives a bad confession. Meaning to say, yung pinakas malakas na sin niya na trip niyang gawin, ayaw niya sabihin at ayaw niya rin pagbaguhan. Yung nakatagong sins. So that's bad, right? So that's just an example. Okay? So what are these? These are sacraments. Okay? What are sacraments? These are God-given things that gives us some sort of superpower, and the superpower is called grace. Grace, yun yung binigay sa atin. So the thing I'm holding here is a holy statue. It's called a sacramental. Okay? This is a blessed statue. Meron tayong holy cards, which is called a sacramental, made by men na bine-bless lang. Confession, communion, hindi yun made. Daily mass, daily mass. Or kahit Sunday mass, ang tawag dyan sacraments because Jesus invented them. Okay? Sila Jesus ang gumawa niyan, therefore, dapat mas mataas ang bilib mo sa kanya, di ba? Daily mass. Kung di mo kayang daily mass, Sunday mass with the kids, with your kid, or i-encourage mo kayo lahat magko-confession kayo. Okay? So these are the practical things you can do. Now, why is this practical? Because marami tayong hidden na violence and marami tayong hidden threats. You have a guardian devil on top of a guardian angel. So how do you protect against the guardian devil? Or the spirits of the air. Sila yung sumisira sa wifi mo, by the way. Parang, ba't tayo mag-work nito? Yan, spirits of the air yan. Mga demonyo. Tapos, how do you keep at bay classmates na malakas yung leadership? Malakas ang leadership ng classmate, pero the classmate is leading the other kids to sin. Okay, let's go watch the show na pang adults. Madali namang gawin yun sa YouTube. Maraming mga bad things sa YouTube o sa internet. And how about this classmate na dinadala sila sa mga adult places, mga bar, and this other classmate na ang influence niya is to teach the girls how to wear as short as possible na clothes, and you have a girl. How do you keep them at bay? Ito, frequent confession, frequent communion, and frequent mass. Now, why does that help? Because you're not just an object. Yung bagay ka lang ba? Hindi ka bagay. You are also meron kang part na hindi nakikita. Ang espiritu mo, ang soul mo, hindi yan nakikita. Patunayan mo sa akin kung makikita mo yan, hindi mo makikita yan. Okay? Parang gravity, pakita mo sa akin. Pakita mo sa akin ang gravity. There are things in the world that you cannot see. Tanggapin mo na yon na you cannot see these things. Therefore, you need to protect or address these things. How do you address these things? With things that you cannot see as well. Such as guardian angels. Yan, pray ka to your guardian angel. May internet na, kung di ka marunong mag-pray, i-google mo how to pray to my guardian angel. Alam mo bang you can talk to your guardian angel? Hindi mo alam? May internet na how to talk to my guardian angel. I'm not talking about worshiping or having statues of guardian angels. Hindi naman. We don't actually have statues of guardian angels. But you can have a relationship with the being that actually looks like you and has been with you since you were born. These are the invisible forces na nakakatulong sa'yo. Sacraments, Mass, Communion, Daily Mass, Confession, and Guardian Angels, as well as the saints. We are Catholics, and we believe na united yung mga santo, mga nasa purgatorio at mga taong buhay ngayon. That is what we believe as Catholics. If you don't know that, may internet na, i-google mo, ano ba yung bakit tatlong klaseng tao? Yun. Yung tatlong klaseng tao, yung saints, at saka nasa purgatory. 3 kinds of people in the Catholic world. All right? So, you need to teach your kids by action na ganito tayo as Catholics. This is how we practice it. This is how we address invisible things. Now, a lot of people are materialist. The only thing that are important to them are yung ilan bang gigabytes yan? Yeah, sure. Tapos na ako doon sa ganong klaseng mundo. Ilang gigabytes siya. Yun lang importante. Yung gigabytes ng gadgets. Gano'ng kabilis ba yung wifi niyan? Yun lang importante. Hindi totoo na everything that matters are material. Meron pa rin immaterial. This is how a Catholic would address it. That's it. That's number 2.